Good morning, everyone. It is October 30th. It is 7:50 in the morning. Sorry I'm late. I had to do some tracking on a new hurricane out there, get updates on Yutu, and get the earthquakes. Let's get the earthquakes first. 5.0 earthquake in False Pass, Alaska. USGS downgraded that to a 4.5 at 26 miles in depth. A 5.0 Iona Sea at 5.4 miles in depth. A 3.5 Utah at 6 miles in depth. A 2.8 Washington State at 34 miles in depth. There was a 4.6 Iona Sea at 6.1 miles in depth. Now, we've got a hurricane off the East Coast. It's not going to hit the U.S. It's going to stay out to sea and head for someplace else, which I'll tell you in a few minutes. As of 5 a.m., Hurricane Oscar was a Category 2, moving north at 13, max wind of 105, gusting to 125. By 2 p.m. this afternoon, they're predicting him to be still a Cat 2, moving north at 13, max wind of 105, gusting to 125. At 2 a.m. on the 31st, he will be moving northeast at 25, max wind of 100, gusting to 125. By the afternoon of the 31st, they're predicting him to be a Category 1, moving northeast at 30, max wind of 90, gusting to 115. By the 1st, because he's going into colder waters, it's going to become a post-tropical storm, moving northeast at 35, max wind of 75, gusting to 90. It's heading for Iceland and the UK. Both places are in a cone of uncertainty, so we're not sure if it'll hit, go between, I don't know. Okay, Hurricane Yutu. As of the 31st, their time is moving northwest at 5, max wind of 80, gusting to 100. By November 1st at 2 a.m., now moving north-northeast at 5, max wind of 80, gust of 100. By the 3rd, they're predicting it to be moving northeast as a tropical depression at 0 miles an hour. That's what I said, 0. Stalled out. Max wind of 35, gusting to 45. And it looks like it's got Shantou, S-H-A-N-T-O-U, Shantou, in its eye. What's left of it. God bless everybody. Please be safe, especially those in the path of Yutu. And I think you guys are awesome, okay? So God bless. Be safe. Thank you so much for watching. You guys get 2 thumbs up.